Recently, we have seen some incredible image generation and editing capabilities from Google Nano Banana. The results from this tool are on a whole new level. It maintains character consistency throughout different scenes, as we showed in our previous video. The image editing and object replacement features in Nano Banana are also highly advanced. But now, a new competitor has entered the scene, Seedream 4, developed by the Chinese company ByteDance, and it's starting to challenge the dominance of AI image generation. In this video, I will compare the outputs from both tools across different scenarios. We will test their ability to maintain character consistency across multiple scenes. We will also examine their image editing capabilities, how well they can add or replace objects, and how effectively they transform image styles. And finally, I will show you a quick method to convert images to a landscape aspect ratio, something Nano Banana currently struggles with. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Let's begin by generating an image using a text prompt, first in Nano Banana, then in Seedream. I will focus on animation-style image generation. In Google AI Studio, I have pasted this text prompt. Generate an anime-style character of a teenage girl with short sky blue hair, round glasses, and a bright smile. I have described our character in detail. Now I will click the Run button and wait for the result. Here we have the generated image. The prompt is followed perfectly. As you can see, her hair, facial expression, and clothing all match the description. Even her kneeling pose looks visually interesting. To me, this output matches the prompt very well. Let's paste the same prompt into Seedream. To access Seedream, I will be using the OpenArt tool, which offers a chat edit option similar to Nano Banana for image editing. Go to the Image section in OpenArt and choose the Seedream 4 model. Paste the same text prompt here. Set the aspect ratio to landscape, select one image, and click Create. And here we have the result from Seedream. Overall, the image looks great. The hair color, glasses, and clothing are well executed. If we compare both results based on the prompt, which clearly says the girl is holding a sketchbook in her hands, Nano Banana follows this detail perfectly. So in that regard, Nano Banana wins this round. Still, both results are solid. Let's change the scene while keeping the same character details. In this new prompt, I have asked for the same girl sitting at a cozy cafe table with a coffee cup and her sketchbook open. Here is the result. And again, Nano Banana nails it. Everything matches the prompt. For Seedream, I will use the chat edit option again. Select the image model, upload the reference image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Here is the output. The character remains mostly consistent, but there are some oddities, like extra glasses on the table and bizarre objects in the background. I have generated several more images with different scene prompts for comparison, and the differences are clear. When it comes to maintaining character consistency, both tools perform well, but Nano Banana handles scene details more accurately, especially across multiple images. Let's now test their ability to place characters in specific scenes. Here, I have generated an image of a living room interior in both models. Next, I asked each tool to add a fluffy golden retriever puppy sitting on the beige sofa, looking at the camera. Here is Nano Banana's result, and here is Seedream's. Both tools handled it impressively. Here is another example, this time for object replacement. In one image, Nano Banana replaces a football with a cat perfectly. But in Seedream's version, the cat's tail is awkwardly placed, showing that the tool still struggles with certain replacements. To test multi-character consistency, I took a reference image and generated full story scenes using both tools. The results speak for themselves. Nano Banana continues to outperform Seedream 4, showing consistent character features across all scenes, even when multiple characters are involved. Now, let's address one big limitation of Nano Banana. Its images are usually generated in square aspect ratios. To solve this, I have found a method to create images in landscape format. Here is how. Upload your reference image in Google AI Studio. Upload a transparent black image with the landscape aspect ratio. Paste a prompt asking the model to apply the first image's content onto the second image's ratio. Here is the result, a perfect landscape version of your original image. Here is another converted example using the same method. You can also build a custom app with Google AI Studio to handle aspect ratios, but I would not cover that here. This is the quickest and easiest way to get the image dimensions you need. So, which tool truly offers the most powerful image generation and editing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.